TAO did exactly what I said it would do. And guys, this is why you're tuning into my channel, because 9 out of 10 times I get it right, especially with the market update TA videos that I'm doing every single week. And you know what? It's not just about the TA, it's about understanding the fundamentals, and this is why I'm so bullish on TAO. Let's get into the video and I'll show you why TAO could just be one of the biggest plays of 2026. Okay, so if you watched my last video on TAO, which was roughly about 48 hours ago, you would have seen the two scenarios. So just in a nutshell, the first one was basically come up, just fake out potentially past the EMA equilibrium up to roughly around $400, get rejected from there, move sideways, and then break through it at some point, and then basically final price target be $750. Now that's scenario one. Scenario two was continue going up. Use this area as basically a resistance level, come up to roughly $500, come back, use the equilibrium, previous support as well, sorry, previous resistance, and then basically come back, move sideways, and then go up $750. So both of the scenarios were long positions. One was slightly different from the other one, and as you can see, it's playing out either way. And I really think the next thing is whether we get rejected from here or whether we just continue with momentum, to then break through it and then fall back, use it as support, and then move up. In this video, I'm just going to go over what's currently happening with TAO and why I'm super bullish and why this could be one of the biggest alpha plays of 2026. So what's super bullish for Bittensor, and I'm going to go for it now. So if you basically look at this came out on the 17th of March. So Bittensor secures $5 million funding to advance decentralized AI, attracting interest from institutional investors with unique validator operations. And that was just on the 17th of March, okay, which was what, a week, basically a week ago. And then if we go up slightly, Grayscale files for New York Stock Exchange listing fits TAO Trust, indicating a strategic move in cryptocurrency investment offerings. And that was only 3 days ago. And then if we go up to 2 days ago, it basically secured another $22.8 million in funding. So institutional interest in Bittensor strengthens as the subnet architecture attracts attention, particularly with XTAO securing $22.8 million in funding, highlighting an upswing in institutional investments. So the good thing with this project is, number one, there's loads of hype around it. So you have the institutional money coming in, you have the retail money coming in, and they're actually building the tech as well and the utility behind it. And AI, the problem with AI, right, and this was a massive problem last year, we had a massive AI narrative, but nothing was really AI. It just had the hype and they weren't building anything. So that's the difference with this project, where they've got the institutional funding, people are looking for AI projects to invest in. So this is why it's going to be absolutely massive, because they're getting the institutional interest, they've got the retail interest, they're literally everywhere at the moment. The majority of the supply is staked as well. It's basically locked, it can't be sold. So there's not much selling pressure, and at the moment it's looking like it's all upside from here. And if we look at the current price, it's only sitting at $350, which is massive. Like, it's gone up by what, 100% in the, just over 100% in the last month. But I mean, the market cap is only 3.7 billion. So yes, it's done some really good gains, but if this is potentially the first proper AI crypto blockchain project, and now institutional money is flowing into it, this market cap is absolutely tiny. So I feel like everyone is looking for something AI related to invest in. And a lot of us that have been in crypto for a while, especially like last year and year before, there was massive AI narratives, but none of the projects were proper AI. So this is potentially a game changer. So if you want to go check it out, it's currently number 27 on CoinMarketCap, currently sitting at just under $350. I'm going to keep watching this project. I'm going to keep doing updates on it. I think it is potentially going to go very well. The TA is playing out nicely. There's a lot of interest in it. So yeah, I'm going to do some more videos, check it out, and I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm currently seeing in the markets as well. Definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon.